Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue. So in the first step, just go to search bar and type here color management, and from the search results we need to click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to check this box, use my settings for this device, and then click on add button from the profile associated with this device. So click on it. Once we are here, a new window will pop up on our window, text associate color profile. Then in the ISSC profile we need to select sRGB. So select it and click on OK. Now select it and close this window. Now we need to restart the system and the problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link or a pin comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue, guaranteed. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.